Instagram chat not loading. This problem is not happening only to you. This problem is happening to many users in Instagram. You can solve this problem by following some steps. For solving this problem, just go back to home screen. Now go to Play Store, click on search bar and search Instagram. From here, make sure your Instagram is updated. After updating Instagram, now click on open. Now click on profile icon. Click on three line icon. Scroll down and find help option. Now click on it. Click on report a problem. Now again click on report problem. Click on include and continue. Here explain your problem in details. Here type, hi Instagram, my Instagram account chat loading only. Please help me by solving issues as soon as possible. After typing this, now click on send button. After this step, I hope your problem solved successfully. If the problem not resolved after the following all steps, that means it's happening due to an Instagram server problem. If you wait for some time, the problem will be solved automatically.